Hello everyone, my name is Alfian Nur Fauzi with starting number 240 203300 and 77. This video is part 3 of my reading panel project for my reading assignment. So, like video before, this is my 3 types of text that I choose. So now we analyze about the procedure text. Okay, the first need we know is what is procedure text. Before we analyze, we should know what procedure text is. So, procedure text, also known as procedural writing, is a type of text that provides instruction on how to do something, make something, or use something. It's essentially a step-by-step guide that explains a process. Procedure text aims to inform the reader about the steps needed to accomplish a specific task. This can include instructions for the steps, how to assemble something, how to operate a device, or even direction to a place. Okay, now procedure text has a 4 generic structure. The first one is title or the goal. The second one is material or ingredients if needed. The third one, step or procedure surely, and the fourth one is conclusion, which this part of generic structure is optional. Procedure text has 4 language features. The first one is use imperative sentences. The second one is use of sequencing words. The third one is use of adverbs, and the fourth one use of the simple present tense. Okay, now this is the example of procedure text. The example is how to cook instant noodle. For ingredients, is the first one is a bag of instant noodle, then green lettuce, which is optional, an egg, and this is also optional, and the fourth one is water. And tools or equipment uses for cook instant noodle is pan, plate, spoon, and fork if you want to use. Okay, the procedure. The first step is boil water until it boils. The second step, put instant noodle and green lettuce into the boiling water. The third step is put an egg. The fourth step is once the noodles, egg, and green lettuce are cooked, drain them carefully and place them on a plate. The fifth one, add seasoning and vegetable oil on the noodle on the plate. So the last step is instant noodles are ready to be enjoyed. Okay, so now let's analyze the text. The first one, what is purpose of the text? So it's simple to tell the reader steps to cook instant noodle. Usually the purpose of the text for procedure text kind of short, I think. Okay, the next step of analysis is generic structure. The first generic structure of procedure text is title or goal, which on the text is how to cook instant noodle. And the second one is material or ingredients, which is on the text with all needed items, including the first one is ingredients like instant noodles, green lettuce, and egg and water. And the tools, pan, plate, spoon, and fork. So this all is included on the example of procedure text that I showed before. The next one is steps or procedure. Of course, the procedure text has to be and steps or procedure in it, because like the procedure, how do you know without you know steps or procedure about some things, about doing something, or about cook some things? Now, steps or procedure provides a logical order of action from boiling water to adding seasoning includes clear step number 1 to 6, which is all of it included in the example of the text as shown. Okay, now the next step of analyze text is the language feature. So language feature used on this procedure text is the first one is imperative sentence: boil water until it boils, but the noodle add seasoning. It's clearly on the my text. So the second one is sequencing word, which is first word first at the first step of this procedure text. The next one is adverb. The example from this text is carefully. The last one is simple present tense. Sentences use verbs like boil, but, at, which are included in a present tense. So this is my video about the procedure text. So this be last part of my video about final project reading. So thank you so much for watching me and see ya.